felt pain. Well, I'll take the sunshine over the rain, and I'll try to love only you, and I'll try